Okay, so boom, check it out. Welcome to Cooking with Ms. Walker. Let's make some salmon croquettes. Okay, so first we'll need a can of pink salmon, some mixed peppers, some chopped up onions, black peppers, slap your mama seasoning, onion and garlic powder, and a little seasoning salt. So let's crack open that can of pink salmon. And okay, so we want to drain the fluid from it, and then voila, that's what we get. Bust her down. Make sure you grab all of those bones at the middle so you won't have no crispity, crackety, crunchity salmon. Ew, yeah. Get rid of all of that. You don't need that. Okay, so once you remove all of the bones, we want to make sure we smash it all up. And I'm really smashing it to make sure that I don't feel any extra bones in it. As you can see, I'll remove a few extra bones, just a few, as as I'm smashing the meat up. So you mash it up real good. Mash it, mash it, mash it. Okay, yes, my hands are disgusting, so I'm gonna make sure I wash them first. Yeah. And then we're gonna add our seasonings. Next step. So we're gonna add some black pepper, which is my favorite, and some, what are we gonna get next? Some onion powder, sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Some, oh, add a little more. We got garlic powder. Yeah, and what's next? Slap Your Mama, my favorite too. I like that. I like the black one though. The black one is a little more spicier. And I'm all with the spices. And then we're going to add a little seasoning salt. Just a little bit, not too much, right? Okay, so, boom. Go ahead and grab an egg. Crack that bad boy open. Drop it on top of there. And then we want to add some mixed peppers. I just buy these from Jewels like that because it's much easier for me. And then I have the chopped up onions too. Booyah. So now the fun part. Let's grab all of that goodness. Ooey, gooey. Yeah, mix it on together. Blend it on together. And we're going to make our salmon patties once we get everything mixed up and blended up together how I like it. Okay, boom. So now we got everything blended together. We're going to grab some of that patty mixture and we're going to mold it until we get a flat patty, sort of like a hamburger. So as you can see, I'm squeezing the excess juices out of it because I want it to be dry so it'll mold better and it won't break up. So yeah, keep molding it and patting it, and this is what you should get. A nice flat salmon patty seasoned by to perfection. And I like to keep matting it so it can get a nice consistency. You see it? You see the blending and all the peppers and the onions in there and the seasoning. That's exactly how it should be. Okay? So now you see 3 patties. 1 can should make 3 patties if you make them this size. So this is a bag of flour and cornstarch that I already had, and we want to put the patty inside of the bag and coat it with the mixture and get ready to put it in the deep fryer. Okay, so mix and pad, mix and blend, mix it and blend it. I'm not dropping it in there, shaking it, because I didn't let it sit long enough for it to really form without breaking a little bit, so I'm being very careful. And once you put it in the air fryer for about 10 minutes, because I like mine a little crispity, crackety, crunchity. $3.95 in a deep fryer. I said air fryer, I'm sorry. I mean deep fryer. Put it in a deep fryer, you see it? And then once you take it out, it'll look nice and golden. While that's cooling off a bit, grab you a pan, put some butter on it. I got me 2 pieces of bread. We're going to get those nicely coated with the butter. Let those brown up real quick, and this is what you should get. So I got some rice. I put some butter and sugar in my rice. What you put in your rice? Leave me in the comment below. And my cheese eggs and my toast and my salmon croquette. Something's missing though. Let's see what's missing. I forgot my orange juice. You see how I use a margarita glass to drink my orange juice? I'm not like you other girls. I don't drink out of plastic cups. Very classy. Very demure. But I have to add some hot sauce because I forgot it. You got to add a little spice to it. That good old Louisiana. And this is my son is off to his sophomore year in high school celebratory breakfast. Yeah, follow me on YouTube for more of my videos. Thank you.